finally, after a long day of mining and trading with villagers, if you want to know how I got this emerald, well, today I wanna find out where there is a new house. Wait, how did I not see it before? Let's pull that lever. Wait, not pull. Press. Hey you, it's Yaron. How do they know my name? Wanna buy a house? Drop me 10 emeralds and then press on the lever. Thank you. Well, goodbye emeralds. I really miss you. One. Goodbye Jerry. Joking, I didn't call them in names, but here we go guys. Bam. Whoa, it's raining now, so it's a perfect timing to enter to our brand new home. Whoa, it got everything inside. Stupid chip! Well, I got an idea. We can trap her forever. She's in a great place. Whoa, don't move even not a step. Stupid sheep. Bam! And here we are, trapping a sheep in the rain. Come with me, sheep. Well, finally we got our brand new home. And we're gonna explore it, but today I have nothing in my head, but we need more. Well, goodbye to Iron. Sorry. Oh my gosh. But what can I do? I got enough water, we can say that. I wanna get a sheep's farm. I'll get the water and back to you. I'll get some water, sorry, and bam! And I'm back. Wait a second. Here we go. Special, a perfect thing of water. Well, I know it's not a good place for the farm, yeah, I know that, but it's what I have here. Wait, I know how to make it little bit easier. First, bam, bam, and I need some cobblestone. And that's it. Stupid wither. See? Interesting why there are no mobs here. I think it's a weird place. Really, really weird place. I think it's a magical place. Yeah. I know it sounds pretty weird, but it's true. Wait a second. I did nothing. Wait, I'm pretty sure I have some. I'll go hunt monsters. I hope I will find some, and I'll back to you. Phew, that was hard, but I did it kinda fast with my bow. Joking, and I spent all. That's where I got the water from at the first time. If you want to know, it's so hard. So here you go. Seriously. I guess that's nothing. So. Okay, let's keep playing. And I got some bone meal. Let's go that first. And here we go. Some wheat and more seeds. And be ready. And I'm stuck. Too bad for me. What the heck? How is that even possible? Game mode 1. Oops. That was creepy. But nothing to worry about, and no bone meal. What the heck? Never mind. Sunflowers! I call it sunflowers. I don't know why, but it's kinda a cool name, so. Bo. And guys, I'll think about ideas. That sorry for this short video. Just had no idea in my brain and my mind. So goodbye. See you later, buddies. Yeah.